Chapter 14. Means of Transport. We will learn means of land transport, means of air transport, means of water transport. It is popularly said, if you want to develop a place, start transport service to it. So important are the means of transport for a place and country. We need them for carrying people and goods from one place to another. Types of transport. We can divide the types of transport into three: means of land transport, means of air transport, and means of water transport. Means of land transport. Roadways and railways are the means of land transport. Roadways. The road network in India is 5.89 million kilometer long and is the second largest in the world. About 85% of passengers and 61% of goods travel by roadways. Roads in India can be divided into different types. National highways are long roads which connect major cities of the country. They are constructed and maintained by the central government. State highways connect major cities of a state. They are constructed and maintained by the state governments. Rural roads connect villages to nearest towns and cities. They are constructed and maintained by the municipal boards and Nagar Panchayats. Border roads connect border areas with inland. These are constructed and maintained by the Border Roads Organizations, BRO. Knowledge window. 1. The longest national highway is NH44 from Srinagar to Kanyakumari. It is 3,745 km long. 2. The first national highway was constructed by Sher Shah Suri in 1542 between Kolkata and Peshawar. From Kolkata to Amritsar is in India and is called the Grand Trunk Road. Railways. The railways came into being in 1853 when Mumbai was connected with Thane just 34 km away. At present, the Indian Railways has grown to Asia's largest and world's second largest railway network. Its route length measures over 69,182 kilometers with 7,031 stations and 1.54 million employees. On an average, about 1 crore passengers travel on Indian Railways daily. About 36% of its route length is electrified. Indian Railways run different types of trains. Durontos, Shatabdi Expresses, Rajdhani Expresses, etc. are the fastest trains. Besides, there are a large number of other fast and slow trains. A large network of goods trains carries about 30% of total goods transported in the country. The local train service helps to decongest major cities such as Mumbai, Kolkata and Delhi. It connects the suburbs of a major city. The metro rail has its presence in Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai, Jaipur and others. It has helped to reduce pollution and traffic on city roads. Means of air transport. Air transport provides international and domestic services in India. At the international level, Air India operates services to other countries. Indian, formerly Indian Airlines, operates domestic services. Also, it operates services to some neighboring countries. Vayudoot operates services within the country. There are a number of private airlines at present, such as Sahara, Jet, Indigo, Kingfisher, etc. Pawan Hans operates helicopter services for tourism and other purposes. In India, there are 34 international airports. The important ones are at Kolkata, Mumbai, Delhi and Jaipur. There are 103 domestic aerodromes. The important ones are located at Agra, Amritsar, Nagpur, Varanasi, Ranchi, Pune, etc. Means of water transport. Means of water transport are used for overseas shipping and inland water transport. India has about 14,500 kilometers of inland navigable waterways, which comprise coastlines, rivers, canals and backwaters. The chief navigable rivers are the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. The Godavari, the Krishna, the Mahanadi, the Narmada and the Tapti in South India are navigable in their lower courses. India has 13 major seaports and 205 minor seaports. The important major seaports are at Mumbai, Kolkata, Kochi, Kandla, Chennai, Mormugao, Paradeep, and Vishakhapatnam, etc. Knowledge window. 3 inland waterways have been declared as national waterways (NW). They are Allahabad, Haldia in the Ganga Bhagirathi Hooghly rivers, Sadia Dhubri in the Brahmaputra river, and Kottapuram Kollam in West Coast Canal. New terms. Roadways, roads used by vehicles. Railways, tracks with rails on which trains run. Suburbs, an area outside the limits of a city. Aerodrome, a small airport. Overseas, from our country to other countries. Navigable, wide and deep enough for ships to sail on. Points to remember. The 3 types of means of transport are means of road transport, means of air transport, and means of water transport. The road network in India is 5.89 million kilometre long, which carries 85% of passengers and 61% of goods. A road can be a national highway, state highway, village road, or border road. With 69,182 kilometre route length and 7,031 stations, Indian Railways is the world's second largest railway network. Metro rail in Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai, Jaipur and others have helped to reduce traffic and pollution on roads. India has international and domestic air services. Private airlines also operate here. There are 34 international airports and 103 domestic aerodromes. India has about 14,500 kilometre long inland waterways which comprise coastlines, rivers, backwaters and canals. There are 13 major seaports and 205 minor seaports in India.